Dave. Today we're going to do the backyard barbecue version of two iconic fast food burgers and see which one comes out on top. It's going to be the Big Mac versus the Whopper, backyard barbecue style. Let's get it started. So first let's make the Big Mac patties. Then we're going to put these in the fridge and let them cool for a little bit so they don't break apart when we put them on the grill. For the Whopper, it's a little larger patty, but only one patty each. And we're just gonna throw in a little kosher salt and a little coarse pepper on both sides, and then we'll throw it in the fridge and we'll bring it out when we start grilling. Okay, now to share with you McDonald's secret sauce. Apparently, according to my attorneys, we will not be sharing the actual McDonald's secret sauce, but my interpretation thereof. Okay, so now to make the sauce, our interpretation thereof. We've got mayonnaise, French dressing, little ketchup, pickle juice, and then sweet relish, some dried minced onions, a little sugar, and a pinch of salt. Alright, the grill's up to temperature. Time to throw the burgers on. We're going to do the Big Mac on the plancha here, and we're going to do the Whopper over here getting flame kissed. Alright, first thing we're going to do is lay down a little oil, get a little flames going as well. Gonna lay out the Big Mac burgers. These will be about 6 minutes aside for the Big Macs. The Whoppers will be done a little sooner there over the flame. Alright, we'll let them cook and be ready for the flip. Okay, now the Whopper's ready to flip out here. Oh, that's beautiful char on that. Okay, now it's time to flip the Big Macs. They look outstanding too. At this time too, we're gonna take the Whoppers, move them off to a cooler part of the grill. You can have a Whopper with or without cheese. We're gonna put cheese on our Whopper here. Okay, now the Big Macs are getting close to being done. We're gonna put the cheese on those patties as well. We'll let them sit there for about 30 seconds. Slide them back to the cooler part of the grill and start putting the burgers together. Okay, the Big Macs are about done too. We're gonna slide them off to where it's just the cooler part of the grill, just keeping them warm. For the Whopper, we're gonna lay down our patty. The char on these does look good from being flame kissed out there. The lettuce, some onion, tomato, pickles, and we're gonna throw on the top part of the bun our mayo and our ketchup. Those look outstanding. Okay, now we're gonna put together the Big Macs. For the Big Macs, to make 2 of them, you need 4 buns. You'll use 2 of the bottoms and 1 top to build them. We're gonna start with the special sauce, our version of it. Then we'll add a patty, then lettuce, pickles, some diced onions. Then we're going to throw on our middle bun, another layer of the special sauce, our second patty. These are going to be gigantic. Then we're going to throw on some more lettuce, little onion, topped off with a nice big pickle. And then we're even going to put a little of the special sauce on the top bun. That looks fantastic. Look at the size of these. Beautiful. Now let's compare the two. These both look outstanding. I mean, the size of the Big Mac and all the flavors in there with the special sauce looks incredible. The simplicity and flame-kissed Whopper looks great as well. I gotta try these. I'm diving in. Gonna have to smash this one down to fit this in my mouth a little bit, but here we go. Oh my goodness. That is so good. Juicy burger. That sauce, so tasty. Just enough lettuce, pickles, a little shaved onions in there. Outstanding. Now the Whopper. Much simpler burger, but great taste with the pickle, the tomato, the onion. Simplicity, but still really good. There's a reason these are both iconic burgers. I love the 2 backyard versions we have here. You can't go wrong. Take care, everybody, and remember, spread love through barbecue.